Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own foot pedal hand sanitizing station.
WWW type. The clearance have less, okay? It tends to crash, but I personally prefer the 111 type. But you can't get the 111 type, you can't get this 111 type, then you can go for the WW type. This is class 7, this is class 6. Use the class 6 so that the class 7 half an inch can go into the class 6 3/4 of an inch pipe. Get a marking 16. Do the same thing other than it. Now first, I'm going to cut all the class 7 tubing. The reason why I use class 7 tubing because the density is higher, so that the center of mass is at the base, so it's more stable. Except for the outer one is a class 6 tubing. It's a thinner one, thinner wall, compared to the rest of the tubing, which is a thicker tubing. So all you need to do is take a screenshot and show it to the hardware store, and they will cut it for you. You'll be able to assemble at home. So that's why you watch a YouTube video, so you know how to reproduce this at home by yourself. So I'm going to start with this side, followed by this side, so they're symmetrical. Then I will be able to assemble them accordingly. You should realize that this length is relatively longer. It's the longest length among all. There are 2 of them. You stand up like this. Okay, this is the longest length. It's at the side. Then the rest, the shorter length. It's tilted. This is what you do not want to happen. Got to make sure it's tangential. So I would advise not to apply glue at this end. No glue at this end. You may want to glue it this side, but optional, don't glue both ends. Because this is a place where lots of force apply onto here, it will tend to be loose. Place on the floor while you assemble them. Then only tap it a little bit, give a tap. Well, most probably I'll need to use a grinder. If it's off-centered, you need to do some alignment. Alright. Then I'm going to use a 22 mm maximum. Yep. Drilling.
I'm going to make a 22 mm hole at this point.
Slowly. That seems to be slightly off-centered. It doesn't go through smoothly here. So I'm going to use a grinder, a sphere grinder, to remove partial of the material at the side. In case there's any sharp edges, you round them off. Don't touch it if you're not wearing a glove. It's going to be really sharp. Don't touch it with bare hands. Better now. There you go. Okay. Dimension is 1 cm down. And then here is 1.4 cm. Is it clearer now? The width is 3 cm. Here to here. Here to here, a projection length is 3 cm, projected length. It's not the real circumference length. This is the gap, vertically, 3 cm. But I just need to open up a gap here and here. Grinder bit, 2 mm. So previously, you have seen I've made a glove. Next, I'll show you how to fix this hose clip, 1-inch hose clip. I mean, it's written at the side. You can see it. 1-inch hose clip. You try to release it until it comes off. Right, I'm going to push it in. Probably use a long nose plier. Fasten it. Easier. Go through. And then fasten this side. Go through the other end. push in. Bingo. What to do next? You hold it back, position, push in, and then now I've tightened it. So not too tight until it's flattened this end. Place the dispenser with the key here, and then the hand sanitizer together with the end cap. 6 centimeter, you need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 centimeter. And then you need one of 16 centimeter. Okay, then you need elbow 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 corners, 4 of them, with a T at the middle. Okay? Then all the way up there, we have one more elbow, and that is the 4 centimeter half-inch tubing, and followed by a T. Okay, so you need 5 elbow and 2 T. So class 7 or class 6 half-inch goes to this hole, and then remember to apply glue around here so it can be pushed up and down. Okay.
Next, I'm going to make the presser.
So that it goes into here. Oops.
I guess I need to trim off a little bit at the end.
Yep. It fits into place nicely. For the M3 to go through, 1 mm, slightly 1 mm above this hole. Place them at right angle. Make sure right angle. Maybe use a pencil. Draw a line. Then I'll measure 12 centimeter. Just 1 mm. But what you do is use a nail. I'm going to fix because it's a curved surface.
Next, I'm going to make a 3 mm through hole.
That's the concept. Stainless steel. So this is a bowl. Go through. It serves as a presser.
Tighten the nut, and there you go, your foot pedal hand sanitizing station. First time watch video, can subscribe to my channel and appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you.